If you're in the market for an air fryer that offers the perfect balance of convenience, speed, and healthy cooking, this Chefman TurboFry Touch Easy View 6-quart digital air fryer should be on your radar. This compact air fryer packs a punch with its high-tech features and sleek design, making it a standout choice for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing kitchen space. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this air fryer a must-have. The Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer immediately catches your eye with its sleek and modern matte gray finish. The design is compact yet highly functional, making it perfect for kitchens where countertop space is at a premium. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 6-quart capacity, which is ideal for families or small gatherings, easily accommodating meals for 3 to 5 people. One of the standout features of this air fryer is the Easy View window. This unique addition allows you to monitor your food without having to pull out the basket, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection. The integrated viewing window gives you complete control over the cooking process, reducing the chances of overcooking or burning your food. The digital touchscreen is intuitive, allowing you to adjust the temperature and cooking time with ease. Additionally, the Chefman air fryer comes with 4 preset cooking functions, making it easy to cook your favorite meals with just a tap. Whether you're frying chicken, baking pastries, or reheating leftovers, this air fryer has you covered. The Chefman TurboFry Touch doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well too. Equipped with 1700 watts of power, this air fryer heats up quickly, allowing you to cook meals up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven. The highlight of its performance, however, lies in its 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology. This feature is a game-changer, especially for those who love crispy textures. The high-fry button allows you to boost the temperature during the last 2 minutes of cooking, ensuring that your food achieves that perfect crunch. For health-conscious individuals, this air fryer is a dream come true. It enables you to enjoy all your favorite fried foods with little to no oil, reducing the calorie count while still delivering great taste. This is particularly beneficial for those who are trying to maintain a healthier lifestyle without giving up their favorite dishes. Shake notifications are another thoughtful addition to the Chefman air fryer. Halfway through the cooking process, an audible alarm will remind you to shake your food for even cooking and optimal crispiness. This feature is especially useful for foods like French fries or chicken wings, ensuring that every piece is evenly cooked and deliciously crispy. When it comes to ease of use, the Chefman air fryer excels. The digital touchscreen interface is user-friendly and responsive, making it easy to navigate through the various functions. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the preset options and customizable settings make cooking a breeze. Cleanup is often a concern with kitchen gadgets, but Chefman has made this process as painless as possible. The nonstick basket and rack are both dishwasher-safe, so you can simply toss them in after cooking. The nonstick coating ensures that food doesn't cling to the surface, further simplifying the cleaning process. Plus, the compact size of the air fryer means that it can be easily stored in a cabinet or drawer when not in use. Safety is a top priority in any kitchen, and Chefman has taken this into account with several important features. The automatic shut-off function is particularly noteworthy. If you remove the basket or the timer runs out, the air fryer will automatically turn off, preventing any potential accident. This feature offers peace of mind, especially in households with children or busy schedules. The versatility of the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer is another reason why it stands out in the crowded market of air fryers. With 4 preset cooking functions, you can easily prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy French fries to juicy chicken tenders. Temperature and time controls are fully customizable, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and cooking methods. Additionally, the Chefman air fryer can serve as a replacement for multiple kitchen appliances. It's not just an air fryer, it's also a roaster, reheater, and even a mini oven. This multifunctionality makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, saving you both time and counter space. Final thoughts. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Easy View 6-quart digital air fryer is a fantastic option for those looking to upgrade their kitchen with a versatile, compact, and powerful air fryer. Its combination of sleek design, user-friendly features, and high-performance cooking makes it a standout choice for both beginner and seasoned home cooks. The 450-degree high-fry technology ensures crispy results every time, while the Easy View window allows you to keep an eye on your food without hassle. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or hosting friends, this air fryer is a convenient and healthy way to prepare delicious meals in a fraction of the time. With safety features like automatic shutoff and dishwasher-safe components, it's a practical and smart investment for any kitchen. If you're looking for an air fryer that's both stylish and functional, the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer deserves a spot on your counter. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.